Alright guys, we got another bonus here on Lightning Tusks. Please like and subscribe to the channel, I really appreciate it. Really helped me out. I've been doing it probably about 7 weeks, maybe 7.5. Getting decent growth. We'll see how this bonus goes. We want free game symbols, or obviously elephants and bonsai trees. Come on, one more, there we go. It's kind of like Buffalo in the sense of like a lot of spins were 0, so you'll need a lot of re-triggers to get up there on to get a really big bonus. Now, so far we've only won $11.90. Alright, we're up to 16, that's not great. Need some re-triggers. Or big elephant hit. One of the two. Alright, more games, more chances. Come on. 8 more spins. Alright, 16. Maybe we got a chance there. You never know. Sometimes it just does that and still doesn't hit nothing. A little bit. 35. Expect we can get one more over here. A couple more over here. Been really big. Been 350. Come on, machine. Come on. Give me some elephants and bonsai trees. Give me a big hit. Oh, there's the bonsai trees, but I didn't have the elephant. Dang it. That's what you want to see, is those trees in the middle there. They come on reels 2, 3, and 4. You don't get all 3 of them very often. Alright, 7 more spins. A lot of spins. Oh, 5 more, okay. Well, we're up to 31 spins, but it's not bad. We won 78 bucks. Just can't play too much. Haven't got the big hit. Alright, 5 more. That might be 35 again, or is that 20? 35. Likes to be less than 35s. We've won 120 so far. 9 more spins. Don't sando out on me. Alright, 5 more. 41. Still have yet to get the massive elephant bonsai tree hit. Just doesn't happen very often. Ah, shoot, lots of zeros. Lots of zeros. 120 bucks so far, though. Nah, come on. Well. Alright, 5 more. To 46. So many zeros. That's a little bit. Well, we're at 149. That's 26. I guess that thing kind of pays. I had a little bit of queens in there too. Any more re-triggers? Think we might be done on those. Get that big elephant hit? No, a bunch of zeros. 6 more. We're at 149. Might be it. Might 149 me. That's what I'm seeing here. You get a re-trigger. You get a re-trigger. Alright, 5 more. A little bit more life. Up to 150. 5 more. Another 7 bucks. 157. Oh, 5 more. 56. Oh, there was a chance. Even that's $14. See, you can imagine if you get all 3 of them all the way up. 6 more. 171. 3 more. One more spin. Come on, make it pay. Nope, nothing. Well, that's really pretty good, guys. Ben 350, went up 56 spins, 171, 85, $3.50 bet, not bad. Please like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have a good one.